What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can protect your WhatsApp from hackers by enabling multi-factor authentication. So this is really easy to do guys. So what you want to do, you want to go to your settings. I'm using an iPhone, so it's at the bottom of the screen for me. For Android users, it may be in a different location. So once you're in settings, you're going to select account. Select two-step verification. Here you're going to select turn on. Now you're going to enter a 6-digit PIN. Confirm your PIN. You can also add an email address just in case you forget your password. I highly recommend this option. Right, so I'm going to send it to my email address. Then select next. Confirm your email address by typing it again and then select done. So now we have successfully enabled two-factor verification. So if someone happens to register your WhatsApp on another phone, they'll need your verification code and email address just to get into your WhatsApp, right? So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.